Hi, this is Bettina from Cozy Ink Company. I'm here today to share with you a kit that I put together of 3 cards, all happy birthday. Looks like this. And I put it together for those of you who cannot come to a workshop but would still like to do some crafting at home, perhaps with some friends. And they are very easy to make, and in the kit is everything you need. So let's grab a kit and get started. You have the card base, and you have all these bits and pieces that we're going to put together. So we put it like this. So your card base would have the sticky tape on top. And the first thing that we do is to figure out how we would like the pattern to be. As you can see, these papers are printed on both sides. So you can take some time and just make sure that you get it the way you want it. So let's just start. So let's say we want this one here. We will do this one. This is the same, so maybe we could flip that one. We have orange, like that. And if you like orange a lot or not, I think we will just put this the other side. There is plenty of paper, but remember you need to also fit these in between. So I think I will go with a pattern that looks like this. So let's get started. I'll just put these to the side like this. So I will start down at this end. I peel everything off. If you're more comfortable just peeling some of the strips off so that you don't get this sticking everywhere, then just do that. See, I made a mistake here. Putting this. So we can wait with the last one. So the first one, it's very important that you put that one straight. We're going to trim off the edges afterwards, but we like the first one to be straight because that determines the rest of them. So try and align the first strip with the, in my case here, I did it from the folded end. So I'm just trying to align this as best as I can to the edge. Like this, yeah. Then you will add the brown pieces and you try to make them go as close to this first strip as possible. This is not good enough. Like this. This is the order I picked, so I will take the next one. Again, I align it like that. Make sure I have a brown piece in between. And you just keep going. Like that. And then you do the next one. Here. And a brown piece like this. So in my case, I have one left over, and well, these happen to be the same color, so I put the widest one like this. Yeah. So all we have to do now is flip it, and then we will have to trim the edges. We don't need this piece anymore. We'll just trim here. There you go, almost done. Then I have my 2 pieces here of the sentiment, and I will glue this one on top of the base. I've put mine on straight. If you prefer, you can alternate it, maybe put a little crooked, that's up to you. I like mine to go on straight. And remember, this tape is not forgiving. So if it's not straight, then it's going to be difficult to fix it. I put some foam tape on the back of the base piece. I'll just peel that off. And then all you have to do is put it on the card. This card opens like this. So if you like, you can put your sentiment this way or this way. You just do whatever you think looks best. I will make mine identical to the other one and put it like this. So there you have it. This is card number 1. Super easy to make. And we will move on to the next one. So card number 2 is just as easy as the first one, and we will be making this card now. Again, you have your card base. In this case, the paper inside is cut from 1 piece of paper, because you will see that it's 1 piece when you look closely. That's why I have put a little post-it strip around the pieces, because they are in the right order. I will leave the pieces like this to the side, and then I will peel off the tape. This card opens up like this, and that's why you have to pay attention to the direction of the paper. So the flowers should obviously go this way, not this way. So let's start to the side here. Again, it's very important that the first piece is on straight. Something like this. And then I have the small strips that goes in between. You just tuck them nicely up against this first one. Like this. And then the next one. I think you got the hang of it now, so I'll just speed up. It's okay. Turn it around, you trim. So the base is done. The same thing with the sentiment. 1 piece is with double-sided tape. You can do like this, or you can put it on straight. I prefer to put it on straight, so see if I can get it. And then you just peel off the foam strips and you align it. There you go. That's the second card done. The third and the final card is this one. This is the easiest to put together because it's not strips of paper, but it's one nice big piece of paper. So your kit looks like this, with your base and with the pieces inside. So we will start by peeling off these strips. And I'll put this on. It's always a good idea to get a feeling of how much space you have around. Then you put your piece here where there's no adhesive and you kind of eyeball it. Drop it and then like that. Then take the tape off this. So I did a little crooked, so I'll just trim that off. Again, we have the foam. I have a flower in this card, so you need to move the sentiment a little bit to the left. I usually put it so the distance to the edges are the same, like that. And the pieces I have already glued together, and just in case you don't have any glue. To give it a little 3D, I like to move this up a little bit. And again, take off the double-sided tape. And of course, you put this on first. That was my mistake, because that has to go underneath, like that. So this will go something like this. Just be aware that it has to fit in the envelope, so be careful you do not go over the edge. And then you just put this up here. And there you have it. This is card number 3, the easiest of them all. So there we have it, the 3 cards. Very easy to put together. If you have some pieces of scrap paper at home, then go ahead and copy this design. If you don't and you would like to purchase the kit, just let me know. I will put all the links you need in the description box below. And to encourage me to make more videos, if you like what you saw, please like this video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.